Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we're going to show you how to update the software in your 76836 Eagle box and how to set the soft jumpers on your 76845 control panel. Step 1. Disconnect power to the tub. Step 2. Locate the USB port. Step 3. Insert the USB flash drive. Step 4. Reconnect power to the tub. The green power on light will blink while the software loads. When the software loading completes, you will hear 2 clicks and the green power on light will turn solid for 5 to 10 seconds. After the software is uploaded, the green power on light will start blinking again. Step 5. Verify the updated software version on the control panel. If the wrong software is uploaded, the control error light will turn on. Step 6. Locate the Setup or SW1 button. Hold the button down for 2 to 3 seconds until you see the software version on the control panel. Step 7. Press the Mode Up button twice to reach the jumper settings menu. Step 8. Find your spa and soft jumper settings in the instructions. Step 9. Set the soft jumpers using the Mode Up and Down buttons and the On and Off buttons. Step 10. Disconnect power from the tub. Step 11. Remove the flash drive. Step 12. Reconnect power to the tub, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.